So yeah, going straight into this, I am down today. I lost two of my trades, but it is what it is. So just going straight off into it, uh my daily bias was pretty bearish because we're I believe on NQ or ES right here. We're kind of delivering off this daily fair value gap right here. So I thought we're probably gonna fill this, sweep some of this liquidity, maybe hit this fair value gap or something, and then move price up, but maybe like later throughout the day. But yeah, we kind of just rejected the fair value gap and pushed up, which is again that's fine. It's kind of what I expected. And again, yeah, I did end up losing both my trades and going through it. My first trade here it was this candle right here. I was using volume profile. So yeah, as you can see, the price is super choppy here. I had a couple of setups. I didn't really take the trades though because I don't know, prices are super choppy and I didn't really see the point of it. Yeah, I was kind of patient enough, and then yeah, I hit 940 right here. I had this huge displacement candle going under the value area low. So my initial thought process here was that we'd kind of swipe these highs right here and then distribute it down. And then now this is kind of a pullback right here in this 5 minute zone, and it's being respected. So again, my thought process is that it's gonna be respected, come down, sweep these lows that we created already, and then maybe try to sweep lower these daily lows before we had to make a whole move up. But yeah, we kind of did do that. But what happened here was, as you can see, pulled back. My entry is right here. Displacement candle. Had my stop loss at the top of this fair value gap. Chasing these lows or like just kind of this low right here. Decent RR, but unfortunate, I did get wicked out. My confirmation was this candle right here. As soon as this displacement happened, fair value gap formed, and this 945 candle wicked down, I was like, yeah, this is my entry right here. And unfortunately, we would have hit my the TP, but we got wicked out. So again, I'm taking this trade like 9 out of 10 times. I have no problem with that. Taking this trade, it is unfortunate what happened, but yeah, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. It's just the game. I would take the trade again and probably make money on that. So it's fine because kind of sucks. I had a lot of setups on both ES and Q, but that one trade I took, I didn't hit it. But yeah, overall, decent trade. I would say 4 out of 5 confidence. And I want to show this next setup actually. Kind of had like this. Is it here? Yeah, I kind of had this ICT model, huge liquidity sweep. As I said, I probably thought price was gonna move lower, not on ES, but on NQ, and then sweep and move up. But it kind of happened on ES first. So as you can see, basic model, inverse fair value gap, displacement through that gap, change in state of delivery in the lower time frame right here. Change in state of delivery goes up, rejects this back, come back, respects this fair value gap, and my entry was, or should have been, I didn't really take the trade. Somewhere like here, 50% this fair value gap, with my stop loss right under this fair value gap, right under this value area low, because this is where it's showing me that price is probably gonna, even if it's here, it's probably gonna push up. Yeah, I probably should play it safe and have this stop loss, but again, in this trade, in this setup, in this my initial thought for all of this happened, just disregard all of this. My thought process was like, this is probably gonna sweep like these highs, and then maybe have a chance to go down because again, I don't want to counter the full on daily market, which already kind of prices dumping down. So my thought process, I didn't want to fully counter it, but I did know this pullback was gonna happen. But yeah, I ended up taking all these highs right here, which is fine because again, I didn't take the setup, but at least I saw it. So yeah, lost that trade, had that set up, and price came up here, and this is my second trade I took, and this trade is just a terrible trade because I had no confirmation, no bias, no nothing. It's already 11:30. Like I was getting ready to go to class, but again, I was just so desperate and needy for a trade, trying to make some money back. I let my psychology get the best of me, and that's where mistakes happen. Like I knew price was way too overpriced here because of just this huge move up. Like I knew price had to get filled somewhere like maybe here or like even try to come down here on this level and then see what happens. But I knew this was too high, and just having that intuition is not enough because I need like an entry model. I need some kind of confirmation for price to come down. And all I did here was, I believe it was something like this. Not exactly because I already forgot, but it is what it is. I'll show you right here. I had like this right here, stop loss at, like these highs, I believe. Or it's like one of these highs up here, but it doesn't really matter. But yeah, chasing these lows pretty decent. Actually, I think I might have been somewhere here. And then my entry was like here because I do not remember the high of R. But yeah, just chasing these lows. Again, correct bias, correct everything. Just terrible entry because I was being, I guess what's the word? Just being retarded. That sounds good enough. I was just being retarded. I didn't really follow any confirmation, any rules. I completely let go of my trading strategy, creating rules. So yeah, instead of being mad at myself for taking the trade because it's already like what 6:35 p.m. I've been thinking about the trade all day. It is what it is. I'm not mad at myself anymore. I'm happy this trade happened because now it's something I can learn from and not make these brash decisions anymore. I get something I can learn from because again, there's no reason for me to take this trade. Again, I should have probably just stopped trading after I had that loss. Maybe look for some kind of setup, but again, since I was about to go to class, I would have just taken the small loss here and then move on tomorrow, the next trading day. But yeah, it is what it is. After that, we had decent price action, but volatility is so low. I don't really care. But yeah, that's it for today. So, yesterday I had one win, made $274. Today, I lost two trades. First I lost $76 because I got lucky. The wicks kind of saved me, and the second trade is just a really stupid trade. No exaggeration or anything on it. Just stupid trade. I lost $144. But yeah, that's my recap for today. See you tomorrow.